My work involves a lot of cutting. I have a lot of offcuts. Like in a week, I can have like a sack. There was a time I threw some materials because I didn't like them, but I saw my girl, she made clothes for her dolls. So I was like, if she can make clothes for the dolls, how about maybe we also create something? So I picked interest. So we do not throw any offcut. We make these bow ties. You put them in your hair, you click them anywhere you want. We thought about these shoes. All this is from the West. Imagine I'd thrown away these things, I wouldn't be making these beautiful shoes, making these bucket hats.
Tons of fabric like this end up in the landfills every year. Instead of allowing it to go to waste, today's featured entrepreneur is turning it into incredible products. Jackie will take us through her creative process and show you how to start your upcycling journey.
I've always loved fashion. I've always wanted to be outstanding. That gave me the courage to go for fashion and design. I looked for a fashion school that was Tina International School. I went and studied fashion. We started Sema Designs around 2011. So we make African attires. We make things for men, women, children. We are versatile. These are the shoes that we're going to make. These are inside shoes. You can wear them in your house, in your bedroom. They're very comfortable, very free, soft. Step one, you need your foot. You need your size, you draw it on the paper. You can even get your sandal, draw it on the paper. You add allowance of 1/2 an inch, so that once you stitch it, it's back to your normal size. But if you do not put that allowance, it's going to be small. You'll need the fabric. Remember, we are reusing these fabrics. You're using the offcuts. And you can get all these fabrics from tailoring shops. Then you need those cloth pins. You pin around so that the material and the sponge do not move. Cut it out. The same measurements, use it on the sponge. It has to be a pair. After, you just measure your front part, just the size of your cover. When you're done with that, you start stitching. If you do not have a sewing machine, you can use your hands. Though I advise to use machine for it to be very neat, long-lasting, and perfect. Make sure you follow the 1/2 inch you added, so that you get your real size out. Stitch the upper part to the bottom, then binding comes just to give it a neat finishing. When you're done with the first one, you do the same with the other pair and you're good to go. Always consider neatness. I have to first like something before I even give it to my client. If I do not like something, I will not give it to my client. So I own what I'm going to make, then the client will definitely love it. Market starts with you, the person who makes what you're going to sell. Where are your fabrics? Like the way I'm doing, I'm wearing my designs, so a client will see me out there and they would want to buy. I go for exhibitions, I do wholesale. Some people with shops come and buy from me. I did more serious trainings in COVID because people were stuck and they didn't know what to do. I started with my neighbors. Then I was able to teach my neighbors' children. Now some of them have different shops, they can stitch and they can make a living out of it. Being an entrepreneur with Sawa World has really helped me a lot. I learned to be more confident because I could relate with people from different societies. Sawa World has also given me chances of meeting other sparks, other people who do different solutions to help the communities. I've also acquired new skills that I didn't know, still from Sawa World. Most businesses fail because we give up easily. At times you can make losses, but that doesn't mean that you have to close your business. You keep pushing, you keep changing ideas. Maybe if this time I made dresses, let me think of making jackets. We want to grow Sema Designs. We want to have different branches, not just here in Uganda, but even in other countries.
We hope this video has inspired you to see fabric waste in another light and maybe try upcycling yourself.